Hello and welcome again to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be doing something new. We will mix between PowerPoint and Photoshop to make a great GIF. We shall start from PowerPoint. We shall start with a blank presentation. We will insert picture. As we had learned before, that we customize our picture, its sizing and so on from either Photoshop or GIMP. Okay, I will keep it simple as it is. I will not do much work with it, but I will add to it some animation. And then we will see how we can be able to record this animation from Photoshop as a video, and then this video we will use it to add some effects on it on Photoshop, and then save them as a GIF and then display our GIF. Okay, we shall start here. We shall add an animation, for example, as the wheel one. Okay, this wheel is too fast. We will go to animation pan and I will extend its time. Okay, and then to add some emotions, I'll be adding an empty square and then move it. So I will add this one. Let's say we start from here. Okay, I'll make it empty one and I will remove its outline. Okay, so it appears, and then I will add animation to this one as movement outside of the screen, gradual movement. So I will come to animation. I will add animation, more motion paths, and then I will select down. Normally down it's moving a short distance. I will come here to move it some additional distance. Just try to be straight as much as you can. Okay, now it is below my slide. Okay, and I will extend its timing to be equal to this timing. Okay, and let me see what happened. So we will start with a blank screen. Press enter. We'll have these two half circles, two half coming, and then slightly the remaining of the image will be coming. So now we have the effect we need to take from Photoshop, because making these effects on PowerPoint, making these effects on Photoshop is not that easy to make it. So we can make it on PowerPoint if we are handy with working with PowerPoint and we have both programs available in our hand, and we need to make an awesome GIF. So escape, and then I will save this one as a movie, export, create a video. I will not select the largest size. I will select the smallest size for the time being to make it easy, and then I will create a video. Okay, this one presentation 10, so you will save it as presentation 10. Save. You can see here this bar is moving till it is saved as a video, including this presentation. Now, when we go to our Photoshop after the saving, we will see how to use it to make a GIF, and we will add something. So we add some value to the video. Also, we will learn how to write on a path and extend our path. A random path, we make it with a curved pen tool. Okay, now it should be saved because the part is finished. Now I will go to my Photoshop. I will create a new, as usual, as I like, 1000 by 1000. Create. Okay, and I will come to here and file. I will use embed, place embedded. That's presentation 10, the one we saved. We put it here. Okay, now that's the size of the presentation. We can extend it if you like to fit on our screen. Anyhow, you will find, because when we shoot the video on PowerPoint, it wasn't taking the complete screen, so this one will not be taking the complete screen. So This one is the presentations that will be running. I'll add another layer. Okay, new layer. Okay, also I need to mark the move, and I add layer, new layer. Okay, layer 1. Okay, and on this layer I'll be writing on a path, curved path. So let me select this path, for example. I will start from here. Okay, here you can see your curved path is unfolding. So, and I come here. Okay, that's I make. Now, if you remember in previous video, I had learned how to write on the path. So I'll be selecting the writing tool. I'll be moving with it till it brings me the path. So you see now it's bringing the path. Where you click, it will start your text. So I'll make it here, for example. Okay. Now I'll be writing. Wait till wait until the complete view unfolds. Okay, now it's going behind. I need to make it inside my path, so I'll be coming to select here. Okay, if you come here to the first point here on your text path, okay, you can see this black arrow which is coming. Then you can drag your text back till you see it's changing. If I come to this side, it'll be this side. If I come to this side, it'll be inside. Wait until the complete view unfolds. Okay, and then it's coming here. Okay, now all my text is appearing. Okay, that's great. Now I will come to add some animation, so or make it as a timeline. So timeline from Windows, create timeline. Okay, and I will extend this to be as long as the video. I exported the presentation of exported, and let we run it initially as it is now to see how it looks. Run. You will see the unfolding of the picture we came with from our presentation. The view pressing the view to fit on screen to see it completely unfolding. Of course, this blue line will disappear after that because it's just showing you the path because we're still on this cycle. We can add some. We can learn something else, how to make a shadow for our text. So I'm going to duplicate this layer. And I will call it shadow. Enter. Okay, shadow should need to be behind the text, so I'll bring it here. And this my shadow, I will come and I will selecting text. So I know I'm selecting my text here. Okay, Shift and select all my text, and I will come here. Text is in red. I'll select this one to be white. It's 6F. Okay, and then I'll come to the move tool and I'll shift it a little bit so I can have the effect of the shadow. You can shift it to this side. Okay, you can shift it a little bit up, you can shift it to the back side if you like, and then I'll continue my video to see how it looks when it unfolds. Now you see that it's coming far, my shadow, so I can come again and move it the way I like it to appear. This one looks fine. If you need to reverse it, simply you can reverse it from here. my video so I can see the complete picture. Okay, and I stop it, and then you can change the order of the red and the white based on your preference. See, I think now the shadow is a little bit better. Okay, now there's another thing. I can come to my presentation because it's consuming a lot of space. I can come to my presentation, and then I need to crop it, for example. So I'll make a square selection just to surround the text, to surround my presentation and my text. Okay, and then I will come to image, crop. Okay, image, and image size, we can make it, for example, 700, because I know that Photoshop makes the quality perfect, no problem. It's using great algorithms. And now maybe if you like it, now we run again. Let's run again our animation to see the effect we can having. Then now we will see how to trim the timeline of our animation. I can move with this. I can stop it, and instead of waiting, I can move. Okay, I stop, and then instead of waiting, I can move like this one. Okay, it's coming. This one is coming here because it gives some little bit of suspense to wait until the picture completely unfolds, and then it completely unfolds here. So you can leave it here, or you can trim this 1 or 2 seconds which are there. That's a complete picture. So you can come here and trim this one, for example, back to here, this one back to here, and this one back to here, like these you had saved 2 seconds in your GIF. Okay, then I can come and file, export, save for the web. Okay, as usual, because the size I exported or embedded an image or imported an image and the presentation and so on, the size will be coming more than it's usually for legacy file, so I'll be trimming it to 50%. We will be showing these steps in a quick way, and then we will see how it's coming our GIF at the end. Okay, I will come here. I will make this 50%. Enter. You see it is working. Okay, and now we make save. Okay, this was the old one, I made it before, so we call this U2. If you remember, before GIF we called it U1, we call this one U2. Enter. Okay, and we go again to check it. That's our U2 GIF. Okay, that's our U2 GIF. You can see it unfolding and coming, and the shadow is appearing perfectly. Of course, you don't need to make the exact picture, but just I'm inspiring your imagination, so you can use these tools to mix between the PowerPoint and the Photoshop to make great GIFs or to make great impressions for your website, for your social media, and so on. Thank you very much for following so far. I hope you had gained a lot of information and a lot of inspiration in today's video. Thank you.